Welcome to Guatemala. Here we go. Well guys, I've never had a black tortilla made from the black corn. Very good. Well guys, we are in the airport and we are headed to Guatemala. We're doing some work on the computers, but super excited. Anything
Super
you gotta
excited.
say?
Yeah, I'm just anxious to bring my friends to one of my favorite places that I've ever been in the whole world.
And the love of your life.
Love of my life.
All right guys, here we go.
Where are we? We are in Guatemala City.
All right, and what is your history with Guatemala
So
City?
I have two children that I adopted from here about 20 years ago. A little more than 20 years ago. And the foster family that helped us, mother and father, are actually driving the car right now.
So awesome. And you guys,
And
the
we
city
are going to Antigua, Guatemala.
city is beautiful so far. Not one piece of trash on the ground. Okay guys, we are in Antigua, Guatemala, and here is our Airbnb at the Santa Ines, number 19. Follow us. Let's show you what it's like. This whole place is ours. Oh my god. Okay, so this is a garden, a little water station with some motion villas. Dude, this place is freaking sweet. Okay, so no pool. All right, come this way. This is where we're gonna be hanging out. We got some couches over here. We got some lights. We haven't even gone inside yet, but I could live here. I could live here. Our friends Phil and Jay, they know what we're talking about if they see this video. So we'll make our way over here. Oh, here's a light. Oh, door goes in. Wow. This is crazy. Nice. Holy. Look at this, you guys.
Really
Would you look at this? Oh my God. Good morning, guys. We are here. It is Friday. We are super excited. We are going to
Hobbit land
and the volcano.
Pacaya volcano.
When I did the little entry tour, I didn't get to show you guys our actual room, but it's right here. Master bed right here. Got a little window, a little courtyard out there. And then here is the bathroom. You know, it's pretty nice. Glass shower, toilet, sink, your basic, you know, stuff. But anyway, I love you guys. Get ready. This is going to be an awesome day, awesome trip. Tomorrow we're going to the lake. So much to show you. We love Guatemala. I love it. He's been here multiple times. This is my
Probably
first
10
time.
times. Yeah.
We could live here.
We could live it.
Okay.
We just might.
Peace. Here we go. You guys, we made it to Hobbit land and also the hand of God. I cannot wait. I'm so excited to show you guys. Here we go. We are like in the mountains.
Yes.
Do you guys like my elf ears? Kind of attractive, right?
No.
Rock or souvenir. You see?
Oh yeah.
You see the yellow colors?
Uh-huh. What is it?
It's for souvenir.
Lava rock. You guys, we are at the Pacaya volcano in Guatemala. This place is beautiful. It looks like a wasteland. If you see our house stand out over there, Mike, take a little look. It looks like Mars or something.
Yeah, the picture just doesn't do it justice.
This is absolutely crazy. The last time it erupted was in 2021, and I saw them. Guys, we are headed to the lake, and we are also headed to a little waterfall. And yesterday was kind of crazy.
And we're doing a boat ride.
Oh yeah, and we're doing a boat
A
ride.
little village in the volcanoes.
But it's Lake Atitlán.
Atitlan.
Atitlan.
There's no ant.
Atitlan. So that's what we're gonna be doing. Hopefully you guys. Yeah, it's 6:30. I got up at 5:30, brewed the coffee, so it was ready at 5:45.
You brought me coffee in bed this morning.
I do all the time. And we broke 21,000 followers, so by the time you guys see this, hopefully we'll be at 22,000, so we'll keep the momentum going. Okay, here we go.
We are somewhere halfway to the lake, and this is called Katak.
And what are we getting?
Tortillas. But this was settled by the Swiss
All right.
many years ago.
So, is this black?
Sí,
See?
son tortillas.
Okay. Well, guys, we made it to the lake. Well, actually not yet. We are in a little town about 10 minutes outside of the lake. So we're gonna walk there right now. I'm gonna show you guys some stuff. We're going on the boat somewhere. I can't remember. It's like a 30-minute boat ride, and there's like umbrellas above us, and it's a very artsy town. The people that are there are very good at art and drawing. So it should be some really cool content. So here we go.
Guys, 3 volcanoes on the lake.
And where are we?
Lake Atitlán.
And what are we about to do?
We're about to get on one of these boats and go to a village on the other side of the lake.
That is famous for?
Painting and art, I believe.
Yeah. And here is our tour guide, Abraham.
Hey, how's it going?
Abraham, tell them what city are we going to on the boat?
Right now we are in Pacaya, and we are going to take a half an hour ride on the boat towards where you see that volcano at 12 o'clock. That is called San Pedro Volcano. And the village further from the volcano is San Juan, La Laguna.
Known for its art?
Known for the paints, the naive painting was born in that area.
Okay.
And they also have different techniques that we are going to see today.
Hey guys, believe it or not, this lake is 1,150 feet deep.
This is how the men should be wearing in this town from San Juan, and that's the women. And we know when we see the women In Antigua, for example, I can have the idea from where they're coming just by looking the colors of the blouse. They are different from the 23 Maya ethnies. The men, it's more rare because, like I said, now it's only like 2 or 3 towns where you actually see them wearing their original clothing. So welcome. I'm going to tell you the whole process. You're allowed to take videos, photos, no problemo.
Okay.
Hello, good morning. My name is Candida. Welcome in this spot. In this moment, I will show you all the process. In San Juan, La Laguna, we plant the types cotton, the brown cotton, and white cotton.
He's gonna make his own shirt today.
Oh my.
Make this color.
And there is a trick.
The first
Which one?
All of these colors.
Which one's your favorite? The lion?
Well, that one.
Very cool. Hola. So I got a new hoodie. What do you guys think? I'm kind of digging this. I think it looks pretty good. It's got the design. Check this out. This thing is so sweet. All right, guys, we are going to the chocolate factory. Willy Wonka and the Cocoa Factory. Just kidding. We're gonna go see where they make the chocolate from the cocoa leaf or the nut, whatever it is. So here we go.
Will explain the elaboration of our chocolate. The first step is cook the cacao fruit from the tree. The fruit can reach between 15 to 25 centimeters of length. These grow in 5 different colors: red, purple, yellow, orange, and green. The cacao doesn't grow in this weather. If you roast them more, the flavor will burn. And if you don't roast it enough, the flavor will be acid. After, this will separate the shell from the seeds. The shell, the seeds. You wanna try? Here we obtain a pure taste from 100% cacao. Yeah. You wanna taste it?
Sure.
Like this.
Guys, tonight we are at
Casa Santo Domingo. So this was a convent in the 1700s. And there's actually crypts in here, there's ruins, there's gardens, it's a huge campus, probably the largest thing in Antigua, but it's also a very upscale and beautiful hotel.
So check this out. Austrian tree ferns. Well, guys, we are flying home. Look at all these cool stickers. We made it back home. If you made it this far in the video, thank you. Just make sure you give us a comment down below.
It was a long one this time,
It was
right?
like, it's gonna be like 17 or 18 minutes.
That packed a lot into a weekend, that's for sure.
It was amazing. We made some
Very,
pizza.
Yep.
Right? Just
Yep.
unpacked everything. But what's really important is what we got. I tried to put a picture of it in the video if you could see it, but I want to show you more clearly. So I'm turning the camera around and that's the end of the video. Here we go.
Lake Atitlán, and these are the 3 volcanoes that surround the lake.
So we're gonna get this framed and we gotta find a place to put it. And so that is maybe the next video, you know?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Sounds kind of boring, but yeah. Favorite places in the world, honestly, if you ever get the chance, you gotta go.
So we love you guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you made it this far, drop a lucky charm down below in the comments and a heart.
And if you've been there, let us know your thoughts about Lake Atitlán as well.
Yes. Peace, love, and
Happiness.
happiness.
Bye.